So now we will talk about one of the physics topic, thermodynamics. So what is the thermodynamics? Thermodynamics an essential topic in physics that studies the relationship between heat, work and energy. Thermodynamics explain everything from natural phenomena to operation of engine and refrigerator. So we will discuss thermodynamics topics like thermal equilibrium, the zeroth law, heat, work, internal energy, and the first law of thermodynamics, and the second law of thermodynamics, and Carnot engine. So first topic is thermal equilibrium and zeroth law. So what is the thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium occur when two systems are at the same temperature, that preventing heat flow. Suppose system A having a temperature T and the system B having a temperature T. Then heat flow between the system A and system B is equal to 0. Now talk about the zeroth law of the thermodynamics. It states that if two systems are each in equilibrium with a third, then they are in equilibrium with each other. This forms the basics of temperature measurement, like system A and system B and system C. These are the three systems, and system A and B in equilibrium with B, and B and C also within equilibrium, then A and C also in equilibrium. That is the zeroth law. Now talk about the heat, work and internal energy. So what is the heat? Heat is energy transfer due to temperature difference. And what is the work? Work is energy transfer caused by mechanical process. And what is the internal energy? It is the total energy contained within a system, including kinetic and potential energy at the molecular level. So total energy in molecule. Now talk about the first law of thermodynamics. So the first law is a principle of energy conservation. Then what is the mathematical form of the first law? Change in internal energy is equal to heat and work. So this is the first law of thermodynamics, talking about the energy conservation, means energy neither be created nor be destroyed. So where delta U is equal to change in internal energy and Q is the heat added, and what is the W? Work done by the system. Now we will talk about the second law of thermodynamics. So, what is the second law of thermodynamics? This explain this law explains the natural direction of heat flow from hotter object to a cooler one. Okay, and basically it's talk about the flow of energy and what is the reversible process and irreversible process. So what is the reversible process? Reversible process are ideal and theoretical process. There is no entropy generation. And what is the irreversible process? Irreversible process occurs in real world system, always increasing entropy. So second law of thermodynamics also introduce entropy concepts. Okay, then talk about the Carnot engine and efficiency. So Carnot engine is a theoretical model that achieves maximum efficiency, and its efficiency is equal to 1 minus temperature, minimum temperature and maximum temperature. And here is the temperature in absolute temperature in Kelvin. So or the temperature of reservoir, temperature of now talk about the examples. First talk about the first law example. First law of thermodynamics example. Assume a gas. Observe (500 joule of heat and does 200 joule of work. Then question asking about the what is the change in internal energy. So according to first law, change in internal energy is equal to heat minus work. So heat is 500 and work is 200 in joule. So answer is 300 joule. Now talk about the second example based on the Carnot engine efficiency. Let's suppose a Carnot engine operates between 500 Kelvin to 300 Kelvin. Then what is the efficiency? So efficiency is equal to 1 minus lesser temperature, hotter temperature. So 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 40%. Efficiency is equal to 40%. Now talk about the conclusion of the topics which we are studies. So what is zeroth law. So zeroth law explain about the thermal equilibrium. And what is the first law talking about? It's about the conservation of energy. And what is the second law? It's talk about the natural heat flow direction and entropy concept. And Carnot engines, it's talk about the theoretical efficiency limits for heat engine. So theoretical efficiency limit, and formula is 1 minus minimum temperature divided by maximum temperature. So thermodynamics is a crucial for understanding both natural process and technological advancement. So thank you for the watching video.